In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Teams cannot add members in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is check your permissions. Go to the Teams, click on Manage Team, and make sure that you are listed as an owner, as only owners can add members, by the way. Also verify the members. So check the email address for typos. Ensure the user has a valid Microsoft 365 account. For guests, you can use their work email and not their personal email. You can also check your guest access. Go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center and then simply go to the settings and then organization settings and external sharing, and allow the users to access Teams is on. Also check your team size limit. Team can have maximum 250 members, so remove inactive members if the limit is reached. You can also check your organization policies. Admins may restrict adding members or guests. Simply go ahead and have a conversation with them. You can try clearing your cache or use the team desktop application. Check your network and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If none of it works, simply try logging out and logging in, or even contacting aka.ms/Teams help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.